Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Vijay and I am a Microsoft MVP specialized in SharePoint. In this video, I will show you how you can create a list from an existing list in SharePoint Online modern site. So basically, we will see the solution of this creating a list in a modern SharePoint site. So let me open the site. Okay, if you are interested for SharePoint trainings, then I have various training courses. I'll put the link in the video description. You can have a look at it. You have these training courses for developers as well as for SharePoint site owners as well. Okay, now if you'll go to the site, I have a, you can see here there's a Power BI training site where there's a course sales list is there. So in this list, if you'll see, there are various columns are available on this, and the columns are like title, which is the default column, then course, price. This is a choice column. Then there is price, quantity, location. All these columns are there. Now there will be requirement where you want to replicate a list, or you can previously used to save list as a template. But now in modern, if it is a modern list, if I will go to the list uh, settings, you will not see that option which is saying that save list as a template is not there. So you cannot do this way. There are some other ways are there. I will put a link also. You can have a look at this. Now on this, basically, if you will see, I want to create a or I want to replicate a list from this list in any SharePoint site, not only on this site, it can be on any site within my tenant. So I will open another site here. So for example, I'll go here, I will open this Enjoy SharePoint site. And on this, basically, if you see here, I want to create a list, of that type. So which will have all these columns. Now on this, basically, if you'll see, there is a way that you can create a list is you can go here, new list, but go to, if I'll create from here, if I'll create from here, you can see here it is directly asking me to provide the details so that it will create a list. But if I'll go to the site content page, so if you'll see here, this is my site contents page, and this is a modern site content page, you can see. And if I'll click on new and then list, this time it is opening two things. First of all, it is asking that create a list. You can give a name, then if you can see here down, there is a create button is there. You can see here, this is the button. Uh, Another option is, if you can see here, from an existing list. So in this case, if you'll see here, this it is populating all the list which all the SharePoint sites which I have. And in this case, if you'll see here, I'll select Power BI training, and you can see here there's a list name as course cells, which is the list that this is the list, and it is populating. So it will populate all the list, and you can provide a list name here. So I'll say course cells, and you can see here I will select this list and then click on create. So once you click on create, it will create a list, you can see here, but it will not take the data. So that the data will not come, but other formatting and the columns, everything will come. And as of now, the discussion board and the document libraries are not supported. So whatever the list you have, that you can use, and you can create a list from here. So you can basically, we use the save list as template option, and you can use this option to create a list from an existing list. I have also written an article on the same, so I'll put the link in the video description as well, so you can have a look at this. So remember, you will have all the formatting, metadata columns, all these things will come, but not the data, and the data will not appear here. So I hope you like this small video, which will just show you how we can create a list from an existing list. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will get a lot of free videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Azure, and all these latest Microsoft technologies like SPFx and Power BI, Flow, all these Power Platform videos also will get. These are our Twitter handles. Do follow us, and then LinkedIn and Facebook pages to like us. Thank you and have a nice day.